Because I don't know about you, but I think occasionally we see certain cases where it's almost presented as, well, when there's nothing left, we'll just chuck in equity.
Yes.
And equity will come to our aid and it will make everything okay. And we don't need to worry about X, Y, and Z because equity will provide us the solution. And I don't think we can see it like that. I think, as you say, we need to see it very much more as like your football analysis, which is the referee can't say, well, I'm going to give you an extra goal because I think that's the right thing to do.
No.
But there's certainly a degree of discretion in equity that you don't necessarily have, as you say, in strict legal rules, as it were.
Okay, so go on. What's interesting about this case?
So I think Hightrees is a really interesting case for a number of reasons. I think, firstly, it shows the power of the judiciary. And it's a sort of a classic Denning judgment where you're starting to sort of inject a little bit more flex where there wasn't previously flex.
So I'm going to keep going with a lot of the watchers of this. If you've studied law, you will know who
Lord Denning is.
Lord Denning is, right? I mean, he's the entire. It's the only bit that made sort of reading law at university in any way interesting, right? For the most part, because he came up with these judgments. Typically, it involved little old ladies, and he was a big fan of little old ladies, and he would often use the law of equity to make sure that they got what they needed.